Hi guys, my name is Eliza, and this is my first video made for YouTube, so this is exciting. I'm graduating, but obviously everything is cancelled, which means my graduation is moved online, but we still got our caps and gowns and stuff. It's all here, and they're so sweet. They gave all of us these little medallions with the school's name on it. I'm technically not allowed to decorate my cap, but I don't remember where it is. I just know I heard it. Anyway, we're done graduated. I'm not even going back to school. We're not even having a real graduation, so all the stuff that you see here I actually bought from Walmart, which is really nice. I wanted glitter paper, but I got these little canvases instead. So I'm gonna open this and cut it out, and then I'm gonna use this to make my aperture. I'm gonna line everything with glitter, and then these are the stickers I'm gonna use. This was the original cap that I was thinking of making, but I ended up with this idea. Like I said, I'm gonna be using these glitter canvases to make my aperture. I obviously had to figure out first the right size, so I made these little paper ones. They look really small. They're 2 inches by 1 inch, and then the protractor is finishing them off. But when you put them up against the cap, it actually is a lot bigger. I began by separating the canvas from the wood frame, and that kind of took a long time and I struggled. Once I had done that, I began drawing out on the back side the little pieces for the aperture. I used an X-Acto knife to cut them out. And then finally I used a pair of scissors to finish up the rough edges, just because there were a couple of frayed ends. One thing I forgot to explain was the inspiration for my cap. I am interested in productions, which is like a student media run group. I joined my sophomore year and I got really involved, and then by junior year I was head of video on board, and I kept that position senior year. So I've been super involved with it, and it helped me grow. These are the 8 pieces that I made for the aperture, and that is also the logo of ISP. So you can see that, that they match up. They will form the very pretty circle. I laid out the pieces of the aperture on the cap since I now knew how they were supposed to sit, and then after that I started adding the numbers. I then cut out the little ISO piece. I ended up rearranging the actual aperture, the f/5.0, because I didn't like how it looked. I ended up having to glue down everything since the stickers didn't really stick on the fabric. Finally, I glued around first the ISO piece, and then I put the gold glue around the aperture just to make it shine more and pop out. This is the final product! There we go. I decided not to add the gold around the edges. I went against it because we ended up going the next day to take photos. Cue the montage of photos. Thank you so much for watching this once again. I had a lot of fun making the grad cap. I also just want to put it out there that I'm currently fundraising money to buy myself a Canon camera. I filmed this on my phone, which is alright, but considering that I do a lot of photography and video, I would like to have more professional equipment. So if you did really enjoy this video, please head over and consider donating. Thank you so much. Love you guys.